Hi, my name's Shane Christ. I'm the winemaker at Satek Winery in Fremont, Indiana. We started growing grapes in 1991 on a hillside vineyard situated on Lake James. We were the 20th Indiana winery and the first Indiana winery in Northeast Indiana. We also work with about 7 different grape growers throughout what we call the land of 101 lakes. Throughout our history, we have made upwards towards 30 different kinds of wines, highlighting mostly local fruit, what we can grow here in Indiana, which is not for the impatient. One thing that you'll think about when growing grapes is that it takes about 5 years to get a first harvest. So we are a small winery. When you're a small winery, you have to do things essentially by hand. We've counted how many times you handle the wine, or the bottle I should say itself, and it's upwards towards 9 times. I have been here almost 19 years, so I remember the days of hand corking. Our new semi-automatic corker has made life much easier. So it's definitely a labor of love. The vineyard was started in 1991 by Pam and Larry Satek. Our first harvest being in 1996, I believe. But we did a lot of research before opening the winery in 2001, in which we started by experiencing explosive growth, and the winery had doubled in size in the first 5 years. A lot of the wines that we make are sweeter wines, and a lot of the wines that we make are oriented towards a drier palate. We also make some dessert wines, and then also the legendary ice wine, which is the sought after sweet dessert wine that can only be made in certain years. As we've evolved, we now distribute our wines both locally and throughout the state of Indiana. And we also have got into holding some events out here at the winery, including art show. We also have a 5 and 10K run and wine event, and then various food trucks and odds and ends on weekends. So the winery has selected this spot as both nice because you can spread out, there's plenty of room, but also we have people that stop in after seeing our billboards, whether it's coming eastbound, westbound, north or south, they'll stop in. So we've had the luxury of meeting people from all over the country, in fact, all over the world.